Alright, back out here at Collier Seminole State Park. This is the Salt Marsh Nature Trail. This is the opposite side of the boardwalk loop. We came in on the other side. We just left the observation deck. And we're going to head back now. The opposite side. Jumped off that tree there in the water. I think it was probably just a turtle, but we're going to a swamp here, so let me see if we can get anything here. It's kind of hard to be quiet on a boardwalk that won't stop making noise. Oh, lo and behold, new boardwalk. Alright, and then this is just going to take us back out to the entrance there by the kayak canoe area. Once you round a couple more of these bends. Heck. Trees pushed over. We still got a lot of exploring to do while we're down here, so we got a lot done today, but got a lot more tomorrow. And we're back to where we started the loop. So, as I said in the last video, I'm starting the boardwalk there, that I wasn't going to do anymore, but I figured I'd get the other half of this loop here. So we're going to cut this off here now as we head back to the the kayak canoe launch area, and we are then definitely calling it today. And we're going to go take a nice shower and have a big dinner. Alright, we will see you out here tomorrow.